Bah, we back at it. What's going on YouTube? What's going on squad? What's going on family? Welcome back to the video. Wow, geez, a big ass truck right here. We diving right into it today. I'll be working on the Mazda a little bit, and then possibly if I get to it, I want to do my little time attack road I've been doing. Because previously when I was doing my little time attack road down in Mexico that I'm gonna show you guys today when I get to it, the car was breaking up super bad through all the turns. Even on the straights, bro, like I'd had to like gradually lean into a pool. It wouldn't break as bad, but it's still breaking up. But all that is resolved. It was the boost controller. The wires on the boost controller itself were like somehow pulled out, but doctor got me all right. We got the new clutch in the car. Seals are leaky still a little bit. I've been lagging on that. That's my fault, but we're gonna handle that, as well as a new thermostat replacement on this thing. That also is throwing a code for that now. So yeah, pretty much one of these videos you're gonna see this car get torn apart again and put back together. So get ready for that one. Yeah, let's get on with painting these fog light bezels. I'm also going to switch the rear emblem on the car. Let me show you guys that real quick. So I am going to be switching out my stock rear emblem on the speed for this little guy right here. Don't know where, I forgot how I got this thing or where I got it from, but yeah, I guess it's time to throw it on because this one right here is crusty. Let me show you guys. Look how raunchy that thing is. I'm even missing some paint there, brother, but I'm going to swap it out with this. I think that would look better. Yeah, we're going to do that too. Also, what you guys think? I might do something with this. Either I'm going to take it all the way off, or I might do a little Mazda 3, or just do like a speed 3, or just leave the 3. What y'all think? Let me know down in the comments, bro. Thank God we have good weather today. We can paint some stuff. Dude, also, I don't know if y'all own a Speed or whatnot, or any of your cars. This stupid plastic piece on these windshields, man, always fading out from this bright ass sun. We're gonna use that bright ass sun so we can dry some stuff up. I may even switch that one out from the old bumper if I can find it, because it's gonna be like the last chrome piece on this car. So let's kind of throw it off a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and start taking off this bumper and disassembling so I can start painting. Y'all know the deal. Let's cut to the music. Before I start taping up these fog light bezels, I'm gonna be switching out one of my old emblems, basically the black one. Probably respray it real quick though. Keep one chrome and one black, you can say. But let me go ahead and spray this one real quick. It's fairly easy to take it out. The front emblem out, it's just a few tabs on the back. If you look at it on the back side, see these 3 tabs. You simply just line them all up, push them in, and then just slide it out. Like so. Yeah, and then you pretty much just, I really don't want to paint this one. I kind of just want to respray that one since it's already kind of chipped. Just keep this one off to the side here. Don't go nowhere. All right, now that that's sprayed, I'm gonna let that dry and do its thing. It's now time to tape these Johnnies up and start spraying these. Let's continue this process. Well, I came to a conclusion. I had a better thought. Instead of masking like the bumper and the fog lights and all that, I'm just gonna pop them out. As I'm looking here, let me show you guys. Yeah, I'm looking here, messing with the bumper, and I'm like, bruh, you can literally just pop them out like I just did the emblem. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these Johnnies out and get them on the wood and start spraying them. Enjoy this little time lapse. All right, everything is drying up. All right, y'all, your boy's back. I think the bezels and shit is all dried enough to put it back in the bumper, so I'm gonna go ahead and start piecing this Johnny back together so I can hit the road and hit some boost. Ya digs, we out. Let's get it. Damn. Full send. Yes, so what y'all just saw, my dumbass just broke the top tab piece. It was crooked a little bit, so I like tried to straighten it, but I knew the plastic was fragile and it just snapped. So that was that. I mean, it's still snapped in by the two right here, and then obviously on the bottom. But yeah, I guess we're gonna have to get this other Johnny ready. It literally snapped right here, guys. Like this piece. After a while, these things get flimsy, so it's always good to have two. But that shit is crispy, yo.
Crisp.
Like the bill. Crispy like the bill. What the hell? Alright. It's on a head down to the border. Go hit some turns. What you say there, Johnny?
Yeah, let's go see how it does.
Let's go see how it does. Hopefully we don't break up top, you know what I'm saying? According to Mr. Rad here, he's insisting I take off my filter. Go ahead, start it up. See if it runs.
I'm a plumber. I don't know anything about this shit. 3-inch pipe.
3.5.
Okay.
Is she breathing? What's AFR's at? Not bad. Look how much fucking fuel it's pulling. It looks like when you have the filter on. Dude, it's at 25. Shit!
Put the filter on.
Alright, I'm gonna put the filter on and see what those trims are at. On the go. Instantly dropping, boy. See if it's just off the tune. Maybe if I get it tuned with the thing off. Oh, press the gas. 16. Turn the AC on.
That better?
Like the hand grip or what?
Love it.
Alright, let's go runner. Coilover adjustment for show. I need to roll the back fender still. She's breaking up, so I don't know what that could be. I don't know. Alright, that was a twist and turns, boys. We're gonna see how she does from a dig. Hopefully the wheels stay on. If you know, you know. We're gonna start slow and steady. See how she does. Ryan's on the cam. Channel 7 News, we're back at it, headquarters. It's a fucking scorcher out, folks. Bring them on this way. She's still together. We did a few digs, hit some turns, some twisties. She's breaking up a little bit up top. She needs some work, obviously. Hope you guys enjoyed today's little video. Fog lights are all painted. Can't really, hey, who has a light? I need a light. Yup, yes sir, yes sir. Emblem's all done. Although I still gotta do the back though, huh? So I don't think we technically are done all the way. How are we supposed to get this one off, bro? How in the fuck are we supposed to get around this? Okay. I am scared right now. I don't know how I should be doing this. I'll be back momentarily.
The missile knows where it is at all times. It knows this because it knows where it isn't. By subtracting where it is from where it isn't, or where it isn't from where it is, whichever is greater, it obtains a difference or deviation.
I already got the title for the video. Almost nearly burned down my car.
I don't have no electrical tape.
No, just get the masking tape. Yeah, well, just over the tip. A tip.
Yeah, let me see it.
Biote's home. Ah! Ankles are hurting, bro. Fuck, I'm getting old. I'm just gonna. Oh my god, you motherfucker! There's so much going on right now. I'm just trying to get an emblem off without a heat gun. Is it getting looser? Come on, baby! Alright, alright. Hey! And that's how you do it with a butane torch. Gang, gang. Ed, thanks for the lighting, Ed.
What happened?
Johnny? We have a little dilemma here. Where the fuck does the other one go? Oh, it's over here. See, we have a problem here, guys. Look at the spacing between these two. Hey, we're a little off, Johnny.
Might be a problem.
How do you want me to stretch this? What the fuck? Look at this shit. Yeah. Fuck.
You fucked up, Johnny.
Fuck no drilling new holes. Look, these have like those little fucking self-tapper thing inserts. I'm just gonna.
All better.
Nothing ever happened. But anyways, hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If that didn't go as planned, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Tell your mom, tell your auntie, tell your cousins. Tell the whole fan band about the channel. But see you on the next one. I'm out.
Like how you get that lit, same old me, but they think I switch. Fuck old friends, I don't know that bitch. Racks too big, can't fuck that shit.
Don't call that little ass place no estate. Unless you came with a pool in the gate. Check the red before I pull in the gate. All my watches flooded just like a lake. Lately I've been showing up extra late. Rich nigga take her on a cheap date. 4 for 4 when he's get her a plate. Love when he's nuts all up in her face. She say wow, never met a nigga with dick in her house. Spitting them out, digging her out.